Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure student loans with Navient, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Navient website. Locate the login button on the top right corner of the home page. Enter your username and password to access your account. If you don't have an account, click on the Create Account option. Fill in the required personal information to set up your new account. Once logged in, navigate to the student loans section of your dashboard. Review your loan details, including balance and interest rates. To configure repayment options, select Repayment Plans from the menu. Choose from various repayment plans available, including standard, graduated, or income-driven plans. Read the descriptions of each repayment plan carefully to determine the best fit for your financial situation. After selecting a plan, fill out any necessary forms or documentation. Submit your selection for processing and confirmation. Check your email for a notification regarding your chosen repayment plan. Keep an eye on your student loan account for updates or changes in your repayment schedule. If you need to make adjustments later, return to the Repayment Plans section. You may also explore options for deferment or forbearance if necessary. Make sure to reach out to Navient customer service if you have any questions. Keep records of all your communications and agreements for future reference. Finally, regularly review your account to ensure all information remains accurate. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.